In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Google Keep on your desktop in just 5 minutes. Google Keep is a fantastic tool for note-taking and organizing your thoughts, offering a simple and intuitive interface. Adding it to your desktop makes accessing your notes even quicker and more convenient. So let's dive right in and see how you can do this in a few simple steps. First, open your Google Chrome browser. If you don't have Chrome installed, you might want to download it since this methodology is specific to Chrome's functionality with web apps. Google Keep is directly accessible from Google's suite of apps, which we'll leverage to add it to our desktop. Make sure you're signed in with the account that you use with Google Keep. Once you have your browser open and ready, take a look at the upper right corner of your Google Chrome homepage. You'll see a small icon that looks like 9 small squares in a grid pattern. This is the Google Apps icon. Click on it. This icon is a gateway to all of Google's services, so you'll find many useful tools there. Among these, of course, is Google Keep. After clicking the Google Apps icon, scroll through the drop-down menu until you find Google Keep. Click on the Keep icon, and it will open the Google Keep web app in a new tab. You're now in familiar territory, your digital workspace for creating notes, lists, and reminders. Now that you have Google Keep open, let's make it available directly from your desktop. Look in the upper right corner of the address bar. You should see an icon that allows you to install Google Keep as a standalone app. This button might look like a small computer monitor with a downward arrow. Click this button. By doing so, you're not just creating a shortcut, but actually installing Google Keep as a progressive web app. This means it will work seamlessly, almost like a native app on your desktop. Once you click install, Google Keep will immediately be installed as a desktop app, and it will open in its own window separate from your browser. This makes it incredibly convenient to use. To make it even easier to launch quickly, you might want to pin it to your taskbar. Simply right-click the Google Keep app icon on your taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. This ensures that Google Keep is just one click away anytime you need to jot something down or check an important note. And there you have it, Google Keep is now readily accessible from your desktop, streamlining the way you manage your notes. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the new functionality of having Google Keep at your fingertips wherever you work on your computer.